Is herein the next revolution in crypto trading or just another digital trap for unsuspecting investors? That's exactly what we set out to uncover in this review, and what we found raises serious concerns. herein is a newly launched platform claiming to offer fast, secure, and efficient trading across more than 100 decentralized exchanges. At first glance, everything looks polished and convincing professional design. Bold claims of ISO, SOC2, and PCI DSS security certifications, and supposed partnerships with big names like Hashed and Kraft. But once you scratch beneath the surface, the red flags start piling up. The website's layout is eerily similar to those of known scam sites like xchaiz.com and kenzacoin.com, suggesting it might be a recycled template. There's no actual proof of the security certifications they flaunt, just claims without verification. Most concerning of all, the domain was only registered on May 27, 2025, making the site less than 3 weeks old at the time of this video. For a financial service, that's a huge trust issue. The listed partnerships are likely fake too, as there's no official mention of Okventa on any of those companies' pages or socials. Adding to the doubt, there are no real user reviews or feedback anywhere online, not even on Trustpilot or Reddit, where crypto communities are usually quick to share experiences. This doesn't necessarily mean it's a scam, but the lack of transparency, exaggerated claims, and shady design history certainly make it too risky to trust with your money right now.